Hello guys, this is Learners Academy. Today we are going to discuss pyramids. What is the volume of a pyramid and how surface area of pyramid is calculated. First of all, let's look into what is a pyramid. A pyramid is a three-dimensional geometric shape that has a polygonal base and triangular faces. These faces converge at a single point called the apex or vertex. The base of a pyramid can be any polygon, such as triangle, square, or hexagon. But the most common pyramid has a square base, like the famous pyramids of Egypt. Each triangular face of the pyramid connects a side of the base to the apex, forming a point at the top of the shape. To understand the pyramid's volume, we need to know how much space it occupies. The volume of a pyramid can be calculated using the formula 1/3 into base area into height of the pyramid. Here the base area is the area of polygonal base, and the height is the perpendicular distance from the base to the apex. For example, if we have a pyramid with a square base where each side is 4 meters long and the height from the base to the apex is 6 meters, we first find the base area, which comes out to be 16 square meters. Then we apply the formula of the volume of a pyramid. As we know, volume is equal to 1/3 into base area into height of the pyramid. So we get 1/3 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 6. So the volume of this pyramid is 32 cubic meters. In addition to volume, we also need to understand the surface area of a pyramid, which is the total area of its all faces. To calculate the surface area, we need to add the area of the base to the sum of the areas of the triangle faces. We again use the same pyramid with a square base of 4 meter length and a height of 6 meters. For the surface area, as we have already discussed, we have to take the sum of all the areas of the faces. In this example, we have 4 triangles and 1 square base. The area of the square base is 4 into 4, which comes out to be 16 meter squares. However, for the triangle, we have to take into consideration the slant height, which is unknown. This slant height is a hypotenuse of an imaginary right angle triangle with a height or perpendicular of 6 meter and a base of 2 meters. So, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the slant height, which is 6 square plus 4 square under root. The answer comes out to be 6.32 meters. For the area of the face of triangle, we have a formula half into slant height into base. This base is 4 meter and the slant height is 6.32 meter. So it would be half multiplied by 6.32 multiplied by 4, which comes out to be 12.64 meter square. As we have 4 similar faces of triangle, so we will multiply it by 4 to get the sum of area of all 4 triangles. So the answer comes out to be 50.56 meter square. Now to get the surface area of the pyramid, we add the surface area of the base, which was 16 meter square. So the total surface area of the pyramid comes out to be 66.56 meters square. In this example, we have taken a square pyramid which have a base in a form of a square. If it was a rectangular pyramid, then we would have 2 pair of similar triangles and we would have to calculate the surface area of each pair and then add up along with the addition of base area. For examination point of view, we have to be careful while calculating the surface area and multiplying it, because in some questions this base area may not be square. In that case, all the triangles of the pyramid would not be identical. So this was all for pyramids, its volume and the surface area. The link is given below for the practice questions in order to brush up the concepts and practice numericals. Feel free to practice them, and if there is some kind of any confusion, please go through the video again. Thank you very much.